Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you are scrolling down until you find this window here of Relive. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.